Good morning, scholars. I am here with you today to assist you with Module 5, Lesson 2, Fluency and Application Problem. Now, for our fluency, the only thing you'll need is probably a few pieces of paper and a pencil. So, if you need to pause your video to get those two materials, that is perfectly fine. You can do that now, and you can press play whenever you're ready to continue with our video. All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen so we can do our first fluency, which is our sprint. So here is our sprint for today. Now we do sprints all the time in the classrooms. So you will have 1 minute and 30 seconds to complete as many problems as you can. When the timer goes off, we'll go over the answers together. Are you ready? Get ready, set, go. Have 1 more minute. Almost there, just 30 more seconds. All right, scholars, time's up. Let's go over our answers together. We're going to start from number 1 and we're going to work our way down. Get ready. So number 1 is 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9, 9, 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 9, 7, 9, 9, 7, 17, 17, 9, 6, and 3. Now what I want you to do is circle the last number you stopped on, put it in the star, and we are going to start with side B of our sprint. Now let's remember, you want to do better than yourself. Here's our new sprint. Are you ready? Get ready. Go. You have 1 more minute, scholars. Almost finished. You have 30 seconds. Okay, scholars, we just finished part B of our sprint. Let's go ahead and go over those answers really quick. So number one is 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 9, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 7, 9, 9, 9, 19, 19, 9, 5, and 4. Go ahead and give yourself some shine. I'm pretty sure you beat yourself. I think you did better than you did the last time. So now we're going to move on to our second fluency activity. It is similar to what you did with Miss Schneider yesterday, and it's the make it equal fluency. But today we're going to be working with subtraction expressions. So on the screen, you will see 4 numbers, and you have to make equal expressions, which means you have one expression over here with 2 numbers, and then another expression over here with 2 numbers. Now remember, we are doing subtraction. We're doing what? Subtraction. So for this first one, I will model it for you, and then you do a few of them on your own. So for our first one, we have the numbers 10, 9, 2, and 1. So let me write these on my whiteboard. And if you want to solve this one with me, that is fine as well. So let me stop sharing my screen for this one because I actually have a whiteboard with me. All right, so I have the numbers 10, 9, 2, and 1. But I want to make equal expressions. But I also want to do subtraction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my equal sign right here in the middle of my board because I know I want to make equal expressions. And I have, on this side, I have to use 2 of these numbers. I'm going to start with the number 10 because I see that one first. So I have my 10, and I remember it has to be subtraction, so I'm going to write my minus sign. Now, what number do I think go next? Well, I know if I do 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2, that will equal 8. So let me go ahead. I use those 2 numbers, so let me go ahead and cross them out. So now I only have 9 and 1 left. But which number would go first? Well, I know 9 is bigger than 1, so I'll start with that one. And it would be 9. Remember, I'm doing subtraction, so that's minus 1. And I know 9 minus 1 equals 8 as well. Then we remember to cross them out. So looking at my equal expression, are they equal? Yes, because I know 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, and 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So that means I have an equal expression. So that is similar to what we did yesterday. I modeled the first one for you. Now I want to see if you can do the next one on your own. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you again so you can see our next problem. Now our new numbers are 2, 10, 3, and 9. I'm going to give you a few seconds to work that out. All right, are you ready for the answer? Okay, so it doesn't have to be in this order, but if you have 10 minus 9 is equal to 3 minus 2, you are correct. You could have also written it as 3 minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 9. Either one is correct. Now let's try the next one. Now we have the numbers 4, 5, 9, and 10. Okay. Scholars, if you have 5 minus 4 is equal to 10 minus 9, you're correct because both sides will be equal to 1. Let's try our next one. We have the numbers 10, 8, 7, and 9. Okay, scholars, if you have the expressions 10 minus 9 is equal to 8 minus 7, you're correct because those two expressions also equal to 1. We just have a few more to go. So now we have 7, 10, 9, and 6. Now I want you to show me, what did you write? And you're correct. 7 minus 6 is equal to 10 minus 9. Now this is our last one. You're doing a great job so far. Let's see what you can do now. We have the numbers 2, 4, 10, and 8. What did you get? And you are correct. It's 10 minus 8 is equal to 4 minus 2 because those two expressions are equal to 2. Give yourself some shine. I think you did a great job with equal expressions using subtraction. Now we're going to move on to our application problem. So for our application problem, you might want a clean sheet of paper. And if you want to write down our problem, our word problem, that is fine. You can just pause the video. Now, our problem says Lee has 9 straws. He uses 4 straws to make a shape. How many straws does he have left to make another shape? Now for this one, we want to use our cubes strategy. Our cube strategy. So remember, when we use our cube strategy, the C in cubes means we are going to circle our key numbers. We're going to circle our key numbers. So I know, oh, sorry. Let me share my screen again. I accidentally clicked out of it. And so I know my key numbers and our word problem. 9, well, key numbers, and we have 9. Let me try my best to circle on here. And we also have 4. So we have our key numbers circled, which are 9 and 4. And then I also know the U in cubes means underline the question. So now we want to underline our question so we can be sure we answer it at the end. So that our question is, how many straws does he have left to make another shape? So now that I have my key numbers circled and I have my question underlined, I want to box my action word. Well, I know on here it says that he uses 4 straws. And if you use something, are you getting more or are you taking away? We're taking away. So I want to make sure I write my minus sign above it to remember that I'm going to do subtraction. So let's go ahead and write the minus sign and I'm going to try to circle it. I'm still trying to get used to this technology. All right. So after that, now I want to evaluate, which means I need to think about what do I know? And here, do I know my 2 parts or do I know my part and my whole? What do you think? I know a part and I know a whole because if I read my first sentence, it says Lee has 9 straws. How many straws does he have? 9 straws. So I know that 9 will be my whole number. Now here I'm gonna draw an outline of my tape diagram. And I remember that he has 9 straws. So I'm gonna write that right here because that's my whole. But then I know that I'm going to write 9 down here. 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry, they look a little crazy. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, I have extra space in my box, but that is okay. He uses 4 straws. How many straws does he use? He used 4. Now I see I have my 4 here, so I'm gonna draw a line in the middle. I'm gonna write the number 4 over here because I know he used 4 straws. And to help me out, I know I can color these 4 straws in to my best abilities to remember that those are the 4 straws that he used. All right. So using the information that I have now, what do you think my number sentence would be? Oh, I heard you say that my number sentence will be 9 minus 4 because he used 4 straws and it's equal to 5 because I can also look at my picture and I know I have 5 white circles on this side of my tape diagram. So it is equal to 5. And remember, you want to box our answer. All right, now that we box our answer, we have to write our statement. So I have to answer the question, how many straws does he have left to make another shape? in my statement. What do you think my statement will say? I can start with Lee because that is his name. It would say Lee has how many straws? 5 straws left. And scholars, we just did the S and Q's. We just solved our problem. So it should look a little bit like this. We have 9 as a whole. And we have my tape diagram. I know that he used 4. That means I also took away. So then my number sentence was 9 minus 4 equals 5. And then I wrote my statement to answer my questions. My question. It will either look like that's on your screen now, or it can look like this. And now we are finished with our fluency and our application problem. So now you can go to the next video and you can see Ms. Schneider teach the concept development of Module 5, Lesson 2. I'll see you guys tomorrow.